You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
The best packing plan for one country may be the wrong plan for another. Welcome back to the podcast, your guide to living in another country. Today, we're talking about destination-specific packing and why that matters more than many people realize. International moves are not all packed the same way because destinations do not all operate the same way. Different countries have different custom procedures, climate conditions, documentation standards, and import rules. That means your packing strategy should reflect where the shipment is going, not just what you are shipping. For example, some destinations require especially detailed inventories. Others have stricter biosecurity rules. Some have humid climates that make moisture protection more important. Others require more attention to delivery access, storage timing, or crate compliance. Europe may require more detailed inventory preparation. Australia has strict biosecurity expectations, and humid destinations may call for stronger moisture protection. This is why destination planning should start early. If your shipment includes specialty goods, fragile items, or anything that could be sensitive to climate or custom review, these details should shape the packing plan from the beginning. For professionals, this matters because a destination delay is not just a shipping issue, it can affect housing setup, work readiness, and the first weeks of life in a new country. A smart packing plan starts with the destination, not just the inventory. If you're moving overseas and want destination-specific guidance before packing begins, call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.